Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a toilet paper, and let's just cut to the chase. First you have to unveil it, and you have to remove four pieces like this. Four pieces. Then you have to bend it twice like this. Yes, and you have to take it like this, and you have to swipe it once. I will make an example using the soap like this. Rub it in the middle of the butt, and first around the butthole, then poke it with the finger like this slightly and make a circular movement like this, and it will be discolored like this, and you throw it into the commode, and you do it again and do it until the brown discoloration fades away. And when it takes like this, like slighter brown discoloration, you could use, instead of four pieces, you could use just two pieces, and yeah, like this, so you can save more toilet papers. So you continuously do the circular movements until the brown discoloration completely fades away, and you have a white paper even after you swipe it. This is the proper way to use the toilet paper. Then you throw it in the toilet and wash your hands. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thanks for the video. Adios. Hope you enjoy.